Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an API key in Google AI Studio. An API key lets your app authenticate to Google's generative AI services, such as Gemini, without exposing your personal sign-in. We'll go step by step, and I'll share quick tips to avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening Google AI Studio in your web browser. If you're prompted, sign in with your Google account so the dashboard can load your available projects. Once the site loads, look for Dashboard. You'll typically find it in the left-hand navigation. Click it to open the main workspace where you manage models, billing, and credentials. Inside the dashboard, locate the section labeled API Keys. This is the central place to create, view, or revoke keys tied to your projects. Go ahead and click API Keys to open the Keys page. Next, choose Create Key. This opens a setup panel that asks for a few details. First, give your key a clear, descriptive name. For example, include the application name and environment, like mobile client, staging. A good name helps you understand what a key is used for when you return later to rotate or delete it. Now select the project this key should belong to. Open the Choose an Imported Project dropdown. If you haven't created a custom project yet, you can select Default Gemini Project, which is available for many new accounts. Associating the key with the right project ensures usage is tracked correctly and that quotas, billing, and permissions apply as expected. With the name set and the project selected, click Create Key to finalize. The new key will appear on screen. Copy it immediately and store it in a secure place, such as a secrets manager or your CI/CD system's encrypted variables. Treat it like a password. Never share it publicly, never paste it into client-side code, and don't commit it to version control. If it's ever exposed, come back to this page to revoke it and create a replacement. That's it. You've created an API key in Google AI Studio, linked it to the correct project, and captured best practices for naming and security. You can now use this key in your server-side requests to access Google's generative AI features. For more control, return to the API Keys page anytime to rotate keys on a schedule, restrict usage, or remove keys you no longer need. Thanks for following along.